Okay, guys. Um, how you doing today? So, today I will actually be giving us this proper guidance on how to like set up our account professionally, our Upwork account professionally. So, like I said, I'll be using a brand new account, and I'll be signing up from here, right? So, all I just need to do is just to continue with Google because we already signed up earlier on with on our Gmail. So we just continue with Google like that, right? So yeah, in Nigeria, I have for proof. So the option that you're going to choose, if you're hiring for a project, but we are not hiring for a project, we want to work as a freelancer, that's the option that we're going to choose. Definitely, we are from Nigeria, but there's no need of changing your country. It's all good. Yes, I understand. Send me generally useful emails. Yada, yada, yada. Just check that. Then just create my account. So once you've done that, okay, this is strange. I don't know why it's saying that. Okay, so I think the best thing to do is just to like go back and just continue with. Okay, let me refresh this page. Just 1 minute. Why am I using automation tools? So, I'm not using any automation tools. Oh. Okay, let's just. Is this a crosswalk? Is this? Let me just check that too. Okay, let's verify. Okay, let's do it again. So I don't know why they actually think I was actually using an automation tool. I don't know. So strange. I've never seen that. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, cool. So your account. So anytime you run into anything like that, apparently this is the first time I'll be running into that or some such error. But just try as much as you can to take your calm. Just go through it. Just read through it, and you understand what you need to do. You just do it, and you move forward. So it's redirecting. So while we wait, let's wait a little bit while it redirects. Okay, so say, hey Faith, ready for your next big opportunity? Answer a few questions and start building your profile. Apply for open roles or list services for clients to buy. Get paid safely, and you and know where we are there to help. Yeah, get paid safely and know we are there to help. So it takes 5 10 minutes. So just all you have to do is just click on the get started button. So they said a few questions first. We have you freelanced before? I've tried, but I'm still okay. So because of the sake of so let me just say nope, it's new to me. So they can give you the proper guidance on how to like get started. So just pick that option. Nope, it's new to me. It's going to take you to the next question. So what's your biggest goal for freelancing? To earn my main income, to make money on the side, to get experience, so that I can find a full-time job. I don't have a goal yet. I'm exploring, but I think the purpose is just to earn main income or to make money on the side. So whichever one works for you. So I'll be choosing to make money on the side. So how would you like to work? I'd like to package up my work for clients to buy. I like I'd like to act I'd like Upwork to act as recruiter. I'd like to find opportunity myself so you can I want to be sure if I can pick all three. Yeah, I think I can pick all three. So it's better you pick all three because once you pick all those three, they are going to give you the opportunities to um to how to so that people to know exactly how to um ap- apply for work. So I think this one is actually for applying for work. This one is creating a project. Then this one is actually when there's an opportunity, you get a random text, which I do get on my other account. So then click on next to create a profile. So uh you, if you have a very well structured and organized LinkedIn, you can actually import from LinkedIn. That's fine. You can upload your resume if you have them, right? But I think I'll prefer to fill it out manually because I'm actually creating a specific um type of account, right? So like specific niche, specific gig is what I want to be registered on this particular platform, this account. So I think I would like to like fill out manually, right? So what kind of job do you do? So basically what we're going to be doing is ads manager. So got it. Now add the title to tell the world what you do. It is the very first thing clients see. So make it count. Stand out by describing your experience in your own words, right? So you can use ads manager, you can use ads specialist or Google ads specialist. So I'll prefer to use I don't want to like narrow it down to just Google because we can actually add other platforms like Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. So I'll rather put social media media ads manager, right? So this is more this is a little bit narrowed down. So like this actually covers any aspects that you want to reach out to. So I prefer to choose that based on the tutorial that I'm giving. So you can decide if you're a developer, you can put a web developer. If you're a UI UX designer, you can pick UI UX. If you're a copywriter, you can use copywriter. You can use anything just for you to just have your title, right? So the way this title appears is let me look at this guy. Can you see this is what's going to be appearing, right? This is what you're going to be appearing. I'm going to be using this guy's um, account as a guide to build our home because he's doing very well and I think he has earned over $1 million. I, I think so. I think he has earned over $1 million. So I think we can actually use this as our niche to guide us down, to narrow us down. So I prefer to use Google Ads Specialist just as he used here. So let me use Google Ads Specialist. Okay. So, what experience? If you have relevant work experience, and it's a freelancers who had their experiences are twice likely to win work. But if you are just starting out, you can still create a great profile. Just head on to the next page. So I want to look at what the adding experience looks like. So let me see. Okay. Yeah, I can actually because I will be the one handling this account. So I can use my experience to add to that platform. So I can actually say um, social media ads manager at Target Limited, right? Location Abuja, Nigeria. So I'm not currently working there, so I can actually just use um, February February 27, 2016. Then I stopped working there at on April 2020, 2019, right? So my job description um is gonna be, so if you want to actually set this up, I think it's better I just like go use Google a little bit, right? So social, let me go to Google straight up. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Go to google.com. So you can just add social media ads manager job description, right? So you can actually look for a standard job description that you can actually use. So let me look at this, right? Let me look at this. You're trying to build your profile professionally, so you should develop and implement, yeah. So social media manager and responsibility, develop and implement manage social media strategy, define importance of social media KPIs. So which I think this is actually good. This is actually good. Passionate and creative social media manager, general team and social media manager. Cool. Would this actually describe the things that I actually did? So to save my time, I can easily copy it. Now, but pay attention to what I'm trying to tell you right now. You should not paste directly on your um into that place. You shouldn't place directly there. Control V. Better you paste into your notepad. The reason for that is pa- plagiarism. I can't actually pronounce it very well because of my intonation. Don't mind me. So plagiarism or something like copying words from another platform directly into another platform. So it's better you just use your notepad so as to like neutralize every text format that it's having. So just copy it, Control C. You might not need to like use all of that completely, but just paste it in there. So description. Okay, so you need to like put something up before you actually list all of this to make it make sense to people that are reading. So you actually had to like you're asked to like put your work description, basically your job description while you're working at digital while I was working at digital agate. So while okay, I'm a little bit um okay, so basically now what we need right now is just to like get a proper write up, right? A proper write up to help fill that so let me look at this. I want to be able to like fill that professionally. Okay, as a social media manager, oh great. I think this will work. Instead of listing all those out. Control C, Control V. As a social media manager, so like I was managing an organization's online presence by developing a strategy, producing good content, analyzing data usage, facilitating customer services, managing projects and campaigns. So you can put and ads campaign. So I think this is actually simple enough. This actually summarize everything we're actually trying to like talk about in this long thing here. So just close that and just paste that in. So as a social media manager, which is the role, social media ads manager, as a social media ads manager, I was managing the organization's online presence by developing a strategy, producing good content, analyzing use data usage. So I think this is supposed to be Z. It's supposed to be Z. Okay. Online presence by developing a strategy, producing good content, analyzing data usage, facilitating customer services, and managing projects and ads campaign on Google, Facebook, Twitter, Twitter, and of course, Instagram. All right. So I think this is cool. So you can actually add that and save, right? Cool. So you from the year 29 April, you stop working at April. So you need to like build, you need to be able to like build your work experiences along that path um 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 correctly. Correctly. So you need to be able to like build it correctly. So I need to like edit something real quick. This was not where this is going to be pitch one. Nigeria Limited, sorry. Pardon me for that. So I actually did this particular role in Pitch One Nigeria Limited. That's not in Abuja, definitely. It's in Lagos. Lagos. So from April 2019, that was when I worked at that was when I'm working at my own firm, Digital Agate. So then um um at sorry, social media ads manager, social media ads manager company. So this Digital Agate. Digital Agate Limited, Abuja, Nigeria. So I can actually check that because honestly, we're still currently working there. So from May 2019 till date. So basically, what I still do, what I was doing in that same place, is what I'm still doing here. So um, I think this is just fine. So just save that. Yeah, cool. So that's good. So you can add your education, right? All right. So once you've set up this work experience, which is needed, then the next video we're talking about how to add our education backgrounds and other things. So I'll see you guys then. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you've not seen the previous video, you can go forward a little bit to check what we've done before we get to this stage. And then the next video will actually be telling us more on what we'll be doing on day 2 of how to make 1 million naira in 30 days using Skillshop and just Google. Bye, guys.